Hi, my name is Crystal. In 5 years, I project I'm hoping to still be working in the position that I'm employed in right now. It is with a nonprofit working with foster families and foster youth. I hope that the people in charge will improve, but we'll see. How I will employ sex-positive perspectives. So, in working with the youth in our programs, we have a mentorship program, and I connect them with mentors that can just help them reach goals, think about the future. And one of the things we do is we talk about we call it a hot topic agreement. And this is discussed between me, the youth, the mentor, and the foster family, or if they're at an RTC, then it's just with the foster youth. But we talk about certain hot topics. We talk about politics and current events, religion and spirituality. But then we also talk about some of the 5 circles, and we talk about health and puberty, sex education and birth control, and sexual orientation and gender identity. And we ask, is this something you never want our mentor to discuss with the youth? Is it okay if they discuss it if the youth brings it up? Or is it okay for the mentor to bring it up and discuss it? And I'm glad that we have things that are included in 2 of the circles. I would like to see sensuality, intimacy, and sexualization also discussed. So I would like to get those things added into what we get okayed with the parents to talk about, because I feel like they're not getting the they're not fully educated on everything that would be very beneficial to them. And that's our purpose, is to get them life skills and get them ready for when they age out of care. And specifically skin hunger with these kiddos, I feel like there's a huge topic that should be covered with them, as well as the other things. So I'm really hoping I can get that added into our hot topic agreement, so that we are coming from a sex positive perspective in dealing with our youth. One final burning question. I think maybe just, how do I go about doing that? How do I, not convince, but how would I bring this up to our head people, our national agency, and be able to discuss how important these topics are and why I think they should be included? Like, I guess the best way to discuss these topics that so many people have a hard time discussing, how can we teach our youth to discuss these topics if I'm not sure how to even bring it up with our top head people in the agency? So I guess just, how to bring up these hard conversations and get my point across in a good way. Yeah, I guess that's my question.